Hello guys. So this one project I have created for one of my friend. She is like in her final year of BTech, and yeah, she was also interested in kind of having a cooking as a hobby. So I thought of like she also insisted to bring something like this only, where with the help of AI we can like create any recipe or kind of get the steps how to make that recipe. So let's go ahead and explore this beautiful websites where it's haven't deployed yet. I mean, just for the college project purpose. So we are having a few pre-templates like Indian, vegetarian, non-veg, and then easy desserts and all. Jalebi, gulab jamun, what? So image is not coming up right now. And yeah, so we can go ahead and check out from any pre-made templates, and there it will be like we have tick marks so to make sure we have all the ingredients right now, and it also gives the idea of how many people we want to make it. Like currently it is for the 6 people, so it is the ingredients is all about the 6 people. If you reduce, see the ingredients is getting low, right? So it is well adjusted, and yep. So it also serves the how much time it will take, and again the steps instructions are here, all the instruction and all the tips whatever we need. So for all this thing we are using like again React project it is, and kind of using a context API for this small state management. Not needed the Redux kind of, because it is small, again not a big project. And let's go ahead, what we have the next. So I really love the one thing about this is the identify the food. So with the help of AI, which is Groq again, and there we are using Llama, I think 3.0 something like that, as a model. Yeah, so let's go ahead and yeah, let's take this Dokla. Let's see how it identify this, and it's take a time. Okay, yeah, here common Dokla it is. Okay, and it gives the all the preparation time, cooking time, and how much servings with this, and we all the get the ingredients how to make it, and kind of all these calories, proteins, carbs, fat, whatever percentage of uh, it is there. And the another thing is, if you think like okay, this doesn't have the so many, I mean the steps are not clear, we can go ahead and ask for this exact name, copy it here, and let's say paste it here, and ask for give me well described way to prepare this dish, and it will take kind of send the API to the Grok, and they receive the response, which is this one, all of this here. And yeah, see the steps are well clear, steps provided, and we can again, if we don't know any like prepare this batter, okay, explain more of this, we can give again the same thing, explain more on this point, and it will go ahead and again send the request, and see all the instruction as here again well described. So I really like about this, these are the only few features, but it is well working fine. Also we have one thing interesting is like in language issues. If anyone like not comfortable in English, then they can switch it to like Hindi one and type in Hindi. Currently I don't have any. Yeah, we can also search it here, like let's say dal. So dal makhani will come here, and all the things. Okay, right now it is not converting in Hindi. The steps are there. So yeah, there I need to check it out around in how why it is not serving. So again, kind of quick project to enhance the resume if you are in a final year or hoping to get some front end or full stack jobs. This project will definitely help. And let me know if you need the codes or something. I will push it out. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.